This video shows how to buy shares of OceanFirst Financial Corp, a regional bank holding company that offers commercial and retail banking services. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker OCFC. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account to make purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OCFC to find the correct listing. Confirm you have selected OceanFirst Financial Corp on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To invest, choose the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens. And if your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.